Hey everyone, Bo Moore here. I'm checking out all the really cool stuff that Razer is showing off at CES 2020. So this right here is the Razer Tomahawk Gaming Desktop. It uses an Intel Extreme Compute unit, so really you can think of this as a modular PC. It has the chassis, a sled, a compute element, and a graphics card, of course. But what's really cool is it uses a full-size graphics card. So you can buy this as a complete gaming desktop, or you can buy it as just the sled and chassis, and then slot in your own graphics card and compute element. So the compute element, it contains all of the motherboard, the RAM, the CPU, while the graphics card is a full-size graphics card that sits next to that. It takes about 30 seconds to assemble, and if you wanted to upgrade down the line, you could just buy a new graphics card, slot that in, and you're good to go. So this will be available in the first half of 2020, and we don't have pricing yet, but for this kind of modular design, it'll probably have a bit of a price premium, but really, I think it's really worth it for the modularity, the upgradability down the line. So that's just a small taste of all the really cool stuff we're checking out here at CES 2020. For all that and more, keep it to IGN.